Hello, what's happening guys? In this video I am going to show you how to add custom font in your video. So let's get started. At first open your browser and search for the font. In the thefont.com there are tons of free font available. We need thin type of font. For this, search here thin font. Here we see lots of available thin font. We also can see the preview of this font. For see the preview, simply type here whatever you want. For my case, I type the rock and press enter. Here you see the preview of this font. Suppose we choose this one. To download this font, simply click on download. Our download complete. Extract this zip file. This font name is Slap Thing. Double click on this and simply click on install. Our font is downloaded successfully and installed successfully in our PC. Now open your Sony Vegas Pro software. For inserting text, simply right click here and select video track. Now click on media generation tab and select default text and drag it here. Then type here whatever you want. I type the rock and select full text and select our custom font name Slap Thing. Yes. Now click on here and move it whatever you want. Done.
Business, and as disappointed as I was, I gave my playbook back. 4 years old, and I was ready to tackle the world and some change.
So guys, in this way we can easily download any type of free font over the internet and can use any type of custom font in your video using Sony Vegas Pro. Very simple, right? Thanks for watching.